What if I told you that you could free up your time and grow faster than ever with less overhead? Most would think this is too good to be true, but with AI, it isn't. It's no secret that artificial intelligence is changing everything, especially how we do business. But we've now reached a tipping point where these benefits, such as automated customer service, can be realized by small businesses and even self-employed people too. And this is huge because this could potentially give you the same competitive advantage that Fortune 500 companies benefit from when using AI. In this video, we're going to be testing out a few of the features from the new AI employee from HighLevel, our video sponsor. HighLevel is an all-in-one marketing platform that provides the tools needed to create high-converting landing pages, automate lead generation, and manage customer relationships. And guys, as always, you can skip ahead at any point using the table of contents down below. Let's dive in. For most businesses out there, a lot of time is wasted on scam calls, wrong numbers, and simple questions that could be answered with a Google search, such as, "What are your hours?" Imagine having your staff only answering pre-qualified phone calls, or better yet, having these pre-qualified leads booking their own appointments. This probably sounds like a made-up world where everything is perfect, but in 2025, this is 100% possible. AI Employee from HighLevel is specifically designed to take care of important aspects of business for you, but it does break things down into the following categories. Voice AI, which I'll be showing you next, allows your business to automatically field phone calls. Then there's Conversation AI, which allows you to automate support chats and bookings, and I'll be showing you a demo of that too. There's also Reviews AI, Content AI, Funnel AI, and the Workflow AI Assistant. Now, we're not going to have time to look at all of these features within this video, but all of this is designed to allow you to automate customer calls, messages, reviews, and workflows. If you want to learn more about HighLevel's landing page builder, including the AI tools, check out the video we did last month on how to create a high-converting landing page. I will leave a card in the corner as well as a link in the description below. Now, it's time for the fun part. We're going to do a full demo now, setting up both the Voice AI and Conversation AI features. And if you guys want to follow along step by step, which I highly recommend, click the top link in the description below. This will bring you over to HighLevel, where you can sign up for a free trial. By signing up for this free trial, you can make sure that you're not missing out on calls that could ultimately be leading to new business. Alrighty guys, so here we are over in my HighLevel dashboard, and you can see on the main page here where we can unlock AI Employee for free for 30 days. So we're going to go ahead and activate this now by clicking on the blue button that says Start AI Employee Free Trial for your sub accounts now. At this point, we can see our free trial is activated and good until July 24th. So we can click here on the blue Got It button, and now we have enabled the Summer of AI, and we can take advantage of AI Employee. So now that we've activated AI Employee, we can just scroll down on this page and you can see the different options that you get with AI Employee. What we're going to be taking a look at in particular here is the Voice AI and then Conversation AI features. So let's start off here with exploring Voice AI by clicking here on this button. This brings us to the AI Agents section, where we have to start off by creating our own agent. So we're going to click on the plus button here in the top right to create our first agent. At this point, we have to give it an agent name, and we have to do the business name as well as pick out the voice and the time zone. So as far as the agent name, we're going to just call this Robot Ryan. And the business name we can leave the same. The language we're going to choose here is going to be English, but you could also use the drop down here and use all of these different languages if you wanted, or even multilingual for both English and Spanish. But English is just fine. And now we get to choose our voice. So you can select the drop down here and choose the different options. I'm just going to go with whatever's recommended here, but feel free to check these out and play a demo of them if you want to see what they sound like too. And this is going to be set up here for inbound calls, but as you can see, agents will be able to make outbound calls in the near future. At this point, we have to choose the agent's initial message, and right now it's set to, "Hey, you have reached Scribner Media LLC. How can I help you today?" ? And I want to basically get rid of the LLC. It just makes things a little too formal, so we're just going to delete that. And I'm going to change this to "How can I direct your call?" So it's going to say, "Hey, you have reached Scribner Media. How can I direct your call?" And then we're going to click on the blue next button. At this point, we have different options here for selecting a knowledge base and collecting details from the contact. In this case, we want to collect the person's name and then their email is good. And I'm going to leave everything else as is here and click on the blue next button. Below here, you can see the first toggle on, which says enable AI agent as a backup to the phone number/number pool above. And that means the AI agent will only answer the call if the user or call forwarding number doesn't respond. So for example, if you wanted to just use this as a backup in case you yourself can't answer, you can use this option right here and have it send the phone call to you first, and then it would go to your AI agent as a backup. We're not going to set that up as it's a little too complicated, but it's really cool that they offer this. And then you can also set working hours for the agent. So if I toggle this on, we can see when we want to have this intercepting phone calls. So I'm going to leave this off because I want it to work around the clock. So when it's toggled off, the agent is active 24/7, and when it's toggled on, you can select when the agent is actually taking phone calls. Now, in order to test this out, we would need to purchase a phone number. If we click here on buy a number, you can see where you have the option to do that. But this is going to require system configuration for the phone settings, so I won't be able to go through all of those steps, but this will give you a basic overview. And you are able to test out your agent right here in the sidebar. Once you purchase a number, you can have this call you and you can test this out and have it set just the way you want to for this AI agent to be taking calls specifically when you want to, and you can have it go right to your sales team or your personal phone at other times that you set. So let's go ahead and click on save for now, and now we're going to visit Conversation AI and talk about the features over there. Once we clicked on save, we can see here under AI agents, we have Robot Ryan set up for inbound calls. Right now under phone number, it's an N/A, as we just don't have time to set that up in this video. Now we're going to click over here to Conversation AI, and we're going to create other automations for this business. So just like before, we're going to click on the plus button in the top right here to create a new bot, and then we have two options here. We can either create a general Q&A or we can do appointment booking. For general Q&A, this allows you to simplify customer interactions by answering common questions instantly. This will be for things like, what are the hours of the business? Do you sell this or that? Basic questions that people might have that this can just answer automatically. And then appointment booking is going to allow them to book appointments just like it sounds. So if you're a dog groomer, for example, you might want the appointment booking, and for other businesses, you might want general Q&A, or you might decide to build out both. But for this, we're going to just look at general Q&A, and we're going to click on continue. What you're going to do from here is fill out the basic brand info, and then we're going to continue on with additional information and click on save. Okay, so I went ahead and filled out some information here for an example. I wrote up the brand name being Susie's Bagels. We've set our address, the phone number, and the business hours, which is Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. to 2 p.m., closed on weekends. And now we get to choose the tone of voice for the brand. So I wanted to show you this because there's a lot of different options here. If you want things to sound professional, friendly, trustworthy, confident, engaging, empathetic, or innovative. In this case, I just want things to be friendly and, casual. If you want to add additional information, you can enter info like your target audience, customer pain points, brand promise, values, what does your brand do, etc. And the more information that you give this, as with most AI tools, the better the output. But we're going to leave this be for now since we're just using a fake example. So once we're all set here, we're going to click here on save, and this is going to save that brand voice for us. And if you want to create multiple, you can do that here within HighLevel. At this point, we have our brand voice, so we're going to click on next, and then we're going to start playing around with the bot settings. So first of all, we can check the box, which is already checked, to make this the primary bot. And this means only the primary bot will reply to inbound messages. So if you want to have just one bot active, you would check this box here. You can then name things. So I'm just going to call this Ryan's bot. And then you can set the preferred channels. So right now it's set to Instagram, Facebook, SMS, and the 3 others. So you can change that if you want. And then here's where you can have the initial message from the bot. So this is whatever you want the first message to be sent to the users. So what I wrote here is, thanks for contacting Susie's Bagels. We're busy making the good stuff, but I can help you answer simple questions. How can I help? And you can even set the wait time before responding to make this look like it's a real person, which is crazy how much you can customize here. So that's all set here. We're going to click here on next. And then at this point, we can go ahead and identify the bot goals, which is going to be the purpose of the information gathering strategy for your bot. So under this, we can check what information we have collected. In this case, it's set to the name, email, and phone. But if you also want to gather street address and city, you could just check those or select all. You can also scroll down here and you can add in appointment booking if you want to allow the bot to book an appointment. This wouldn't really be needed for a bagel shop, but for many other businesses out there, it would be very important. You can also receive email notifications if the bot doesn't know the answer. That way you could jump in and fill in those gaps. But everything looks good to me here, so we're going to click here on save. And just like that, the bot was created successfully. So you have successfully created the Ryan bot. We have set its initial status to off, which means the bot is not actively responding in conversations, but you can change the status at any time. So let's go ahead and now test out the bot. So we're just going to drop in here and send a message first. So let's say, hello. And this says, thanks for contacting Susie's Bagels. We're busy making the good stuff, but I can help answer simple questions. How can I help you? And at this point, if we wanted to say, what are your hours? We're open Monday to Friday from 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. and closed on weekends. Now, could you share your name with me? So just like that, it is able to reference the hours that we set, and you can fill in other Q&A information too that it'll be able to answer. And now it's collecting information. Thanks, Ryan. Could you please provide your email address? So I'm not going to go through all of the steps, but you can see how this is able to effectively collect information and answer questions for people. And just like that, we created our first bot here using the conversation AI agents. So I'm sure you can imagine that between the two of these here, using the voice AI agents and then conversation AI bots, you could handle almost all aspects of communication with your business. There you have it, guys. That's just how simple it is to start using AI in your business today. Keep in mind, guys, that tools like this are ultimately going to make you more competitive in business. And on the other side of that coin, it's just a matter of time until your competitors start using them too. If you're ready to leverage the AI employee yourself and take your business to the next level, sign up for a free trial of HighLevel today. So click the link below to start a free trial and never miss a customer again. If you made it to the very end of the video, don't forget to subscribe. And now that your phone calls are handled, let's go ahead and optimize your traffic. You can click below to watch my video on how to create the ultimate high converting landing page using HighLevel, and I'll see you there.